What's going on, guys? We're in a 2010 Nissan Altima S with a 2.5. Going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance, engine maintenance. We got a couple reminders on here. We're going to be using these toggle buttons right over here on the left side of the steering wheel. Ignition on, of course. Engine could be on for this one. They're not sensitive on the Nissans. So we're going to go ahead and toggle over and just click, these two. You'll see exactly what it does. One just accepts and one goes forward. We're gonna go over to the settings and we're gonna go over to maintenance. Click down on maintenance, toggle over, oops, there we go. And then we're gonna toggle over to engine oil, and then we're gonna go, it gets a little confusing. And then we're going to go over to reset, click down on reset. It's going to say use the circle button for the reset, so it's this one here. And then you set it so it's back down to 0. Then you go back and you just do the same thing for the oil filter and all that, because for some reason they like to have them separate, even though they're really the same thing. I mean, you do the oil change, you change the oil filter anyway, so kind of redundant, but you got to do it. And that's pretty much it. You're good to go. Thanks, guys.